This Qt8-15 fully automatic hydraulic brick marking machine line is manufactured by Made-in-China.com-Machinery Limited, located at Dazhuang Economic Area, Linyi City. We have a standard workshop of 22,000 square meters and 60 more employees now. Under the company concept of better quality, better service, we aim to manufacture first-class quality products to gain good reputation in the world. Briefly, this Qt8-15 automatic brick machine line mainly contains the cement silo for storing the cement, 3-hopper batching machine to batch different type raw materials and weigh them respectively. JS750 double-shaft concrete mixer is to mix the raw materials well. Then the belt conveyor transports the raw material into the top hopper of host brick machine. Host brick marking machine would mold the blocks with hydraulic strength. At the same time, the automatic pallet feeder loads the brick pallets into brick machine automatically, instead of loading of pallets one piece by pieces by hand. Finally, after the blocks are made, the automatic stacker will stack 3 to 4 pallets with blocks, then to be transported to the curing area by forklift. Totally, it needs 7 to 8 workers to operate this whole brick plant. This brick machine line can produce all kinds of concrete blocks, like hollow, solid blocks, colored paver bricks, interlocking, and curbstone blocks under different modes. And different modes can be made as per drawing provided.